You have a major safety concern when both headlights go out. Driving at night with both headlights out would be foolish. Fortunately, most problems are easy to resolve, particularly if you know a little about mechanics. Examine the potential reasons why your headlights might not be working if you wish to drive at night once more. This video covers some quick fixes to get the headlights working again. Bad headlight switch. After many years of use, it is common for the headlight switch or dimmer to malfunction. All of the headlight functions are controlled by this electronic component, so when it malfunctions, you are left without light. You might only lose high or low beams without the switch, though occasionally both will be impacted. The only way to fix it would be to replace the switch. The cost of parts and labor to replace a headlight switch can range from $150 to $300, but you can save money on labor if you can do it yourself. Bad headlight relay. The relay powers the headlight system. This relay is in charge of managing the headlight's high and low beams. Both headlights typically turn off simultaneously if the relay fails. Because the issues are similar, it can be challenging to identify whether the switch or relay is the cause. You can check the headlight relay by listening for the clicking sound that happens when the lights are turned on. The relay might be malfunctioning if you don't hear this click. You can use a multimeter to check it as well. It is frequently less expensive to replace a headlight relay than a switch. The parts and labor might only cost you $50 to $150. Blown fuses. The fuses are the other component of the electrical system. The fuses, which are intended to prevent overload, are used for everything electrical. The headlights cannot receive power when a fuse blows. If additional parts are using the same fuse and they are also not functioning, you may be able to identify the issue. Changing a bad fuse is not a difficult task. Finding the fuse that powers the headlights is the first step. You can find it by looking at the legend inside the fuse box door. You can identify which ones aren't functioning with the aid of your test light. You can also pull it to check if the wire inside the fuse is broken. It will only cost a few dollars to replace a fuse, but you need to make sure it's a direct replacement. Faulty wiring. A number of wires connect the headlight sockets to the system. Wires inevitably deteriorate and get frayed or damaged over time. Another possibility is that some of the required wiring has been gnawed through by a rodent. The bulbs cannot shine if they are not connected to the electrical system correctly. The lights may flicker until the issue worsens if the wires are only marginally worn. This would serve as a warning to have it fixed as soon as possible. Replace any wires that appear to be broken, ripped, or melted. Remember to swap out any damaged connectors at the same time. Wrong bulb types. If you don't buy the correct set of bulbs, you might have problems when you replace them. You must ensure that the headlight bulbs you purchase are compatible with your car, because they are not all the same. In addition to choosing the appropriate size, there are various types. LED or xenon bulbs should not be used in place of halogen bulbs unless the system is configured to support it. Bad bulbs. Usually the bulbs won't go out at precisely the same moment. Most of the time one burns out first. But you don't want to rule out the possibility that the light bulbs are broken. There might be a flaw in your recently bought bulbs if they don't function. Think about trying again after returning them for a refund. Checking and changing the bulbs is your next course of action. Even though they probably wouldn't have gone out simultaneously, you might not have realized one was out until the other failed. The cost of halogen bulbs won't be very high. LED or xenon light bulbs are more expensive but last longer. Bad or corroded bulb sockets. The socket is the location where the light bulb is screwed into the assembly. The sockets withstand a lot of heat due to their location. It may experience corrosion, which could lead to issues with the electrical connection. The likelihood of both sockets failing simultaneously is lower. Because of this, one bulb typically goes out first in a corroded socket. Corrosion can be swiftly removed with an electrical contact cleaner. When the corrosion is severe, a wire brush can also be useful. Hope this information will help you to solve the headlights issue. If so, please press the like button and subscribe to the channel.